What's up, everybody? Welcome to Ultimate Outdoors. It is the end of the riding season for us, so we've been cleaning up, doing different things with the bikes. Pretty much end of the riding till maybe after New Year's, and we'll start doing some winter riding. It is hunting season now, that kind of thing, so everybody's kind of doing other things. But what I want to show you and talk to you about is this rad relocation kit on my XMR 1000. It's done by Plateau Fabrication. We had it installed right after the first year, right after I got the bike. And I tell you what, this thing is quite a nice rad kit. It's way better built than most that are made. You know, and I just want to show you some things about this and, you know, do a little promoting on these because you can't go wrong with one of these rad kits. They don't fall apart. You don't have to re-weld them. You don't have to strengthen them up. You don't have to do anything. They're just a superb kit, bumper. This is a little different than the ones, this was the prototype, so it's a little different than the ones he's been making. This plate I had made myself and put on the front of it. The side plates I had made, and Dan, he welded them on there for me. When he was making it, I had him weld these little tabs on here so I could mount a light bar on the front. It seems to work good. I had him put 12 inches, but you got to be careful to find a 12-inch light bar. The one I thought was 12. They measure different. Some measure from the end where the bolt goes in, it's 12 inches, or sometimes they're measured from here to here is 12 inches. So you got to be careful what light bar you use. The one I wanted to use didn't work, but this one did work, and it's been a pretty good light bar so far. But about the rad kit, these things are just welded solid. They're a great kit. I am making a hose kit for these. If somebody buys a Plateau Fabrication for the XMR, I have put together a hose kit with molded hoses and everything you need except for the bottle, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. All right, so here's the bumper. Like I said, this I had installed, you know, Ultimate Outdoors. He made these for me, you know, the round curved with the point on the end, just a little custom thing. This curve here was custom that he did for me. I mean, this thing is solid. The molded hoses, this is a hose here, goes down. No need to cut fenders with these hoses. You can see that hose there, goes down, curves, goes down under. Okay, the only thing you do have to cut on the plastic for these molded hoses is on this piece right here. You gotta cut out a little section there and a little section there, and that's all you gotta do for the molded hoses. They go right down through and connect into the factory hoses. There's my plastic. Got it tore off, cleaning everything up. Yeah, ignore a lot of these wires. You put underglow lights on and light bars and all that. You tend to get too many wires, but I had it all apart for cleaning. I still got to clean this. I had this covered up when I pressure washed. But the factory bottle that comes with the XMR has to come out, so we remove that. These hoses go down, each side go down, and they tie into the factory hoses. Your fan wire, there's enough fan wire to unhook from your fan, and that will run down through, so there's no need to add wires to your fan. And this is the rad kit. This thing is definitely worth buying. Give Plateau Fabrication a look. As you can see here, my powder coating come off because a box in my trailer slid off the shelf and went all the way from West Virginia to here, home, rubbing on that. But that's what happens when you use them. But anyways, they come down, bolt into here. Now he's looking, Dan, he's located in central New York. He is looking for a Renegade XXC, or just, you know, not the XMR, to build a rad kit on. You know, a demo type thing. He hasn't found one yet that I know of, but anybody in central New York wants a good deal on a rad kit, on a Renegade XXC, give Plateau Fabrication a call and talk to them. And he may get you in and get you a good deal on a rad kit, so he can get one made and start making them. I think these hose kits that I have will fit a non-XMR Renegade 2. I'm thinking they should be about hosed, piped the same. So we will see. So this isn't the only kind of bumper rad kit Dan makes. He makes them for the Polaris Sportsman and some other bikes. He's made some really nice stuff. I'll show you a bunch of pictures at the end of the video here, more of the stuff he's made. So, I mean, if you're looking for any type of this thing, he makes roll cages for side-by-sides, all kinds of things. So anything like this, ATV related, side-by-side related that you're looking for, make sure you check out Plateau Fabrications. He does fabulous work, and I can't say thank you enough for Dan for doing this stuff for me and putting these out. But make sure you check him out, and thank you for watching Ultimate Outdoors. Check out some of these pictures. Later.